Hello guys, welcome to the kingdom of Sonu. So 7 subscribers already a part of my kingdom, so please subscribe my channel guys and also turn on the bell notification so whenever I upload new video we'll get a notification. Okay, so we have a new lab today. Let's go to the questions and answer preparation. Telecom network management. Okay, so we will write our name first, Hira Thakur, and write our bits ID here. Okay, the course ID is correct and lab number 1. Okay, so we have a problem statement saying we have to run all these commands given in the question, and we have to write our observation and record the output. Okay, so that's it guys. We have all the commands like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we have 9 commands, and then we have to paste the lab usage. That's it. So uh, this is the first command. What we have to do first, we have to describe that what is this, or define it, or how we will say. We have to write 5 lines about this. Okay, so I have to describe them guys. We will use all the commands here written, and we will write describe it as a student in 5 line. It will be a 5 line paragraph. Okay, so you can use any of these commands. I will show you each of them if you want. Okay, so we will simply go with ChatGPT, paste the command, and then run. Okay, now let me go with second command. Suppose describe it in short and precise way in 5 line paragraph. Okay, so let me do it here only. See, it's perfect guys, 4 lines. Okay, now what I will do, copy all or start pasting one by one. Okay, I am copying here. So if config, go to the document preparation. So I will simply do this. We will log in our with bits ID. So we will select this and click on launch. This is the first time I'm going to launch it. Okay, so you already know the username and password is cloud. Cloud means small cloud. Okay, so it started guys. Now we can click on the connect button. See, the username and password is cloud, as I already told. We have to click on the web console. So this is our portal, Shell app portal. So we have to right click there, then click on the properties to change the bits ID. Okay, so we will click on the session menu now. We will click on the full name, make it custom, and then we will write our bits ID, and I will write Hira Thakur. Select all, Hira Thakur. Okay, now you just have to close it guys. It will automatically appear. Okay, can you make so after changing our username guys to our bits ID, what we have to do is we have to click on the terminal. Make sure this here, instead of Hira, it should represent your bits ID. Okay, I have changed it to my Hira, and then we will start pasting one by one our command and write the observations and all. Okay, so go to the document preparation. So we have this first command. We will copy this, and now let's paste it. We need to remove that one. Press enter. So yes, now we can see everything. Now we will take the screenshot. Full screenshot, take this guys, and it should show your bits ID. Okay, in each screenshot always take full screenshot. So we have to paste it below the description, and now we will write the observation. Number of interfaces. So how many interfaces are there? Ethernet 0 and LO. Okay, so right there answer. So this is will be our observation, guys, that lists the number of interfaces. So we can see two interfaces. It will be same for you all, okay? ETH0 and LO means loopback, okay? So you can write this same, no issues. And IP address will be changed and MAC address can be changed, okay? So you just have to make a table and you will get this will be same, okay? These two can be same. So make it green, dark green, okay? So IP address and this will be same. This full will be same, guys. Loopback will not have an I mean MAC address, and this will be same IP address for everyone. Loopback address is always same for each PC. Okay. Hello guys, so welcome back to this lab again. So we have started with our lab and we have done few commands as well. But let me start again. That you have to paste all the description for each command. Okay, we have 9 commands here, so we have to paste the description of all. Okay, then it is mandatory to paste the each command screenshot as well, guys. See, the command should be visible and your bits id should be visible. Okay, my document have some commands like this, but this is not valid. You have to paste full screenshot. Okay, I have not done it, so that's why I am telling you now. I may forget later, so I am telling you that always paste a full screenshots like this. Okay, now further we will have to write all the answers. So all answers are completed as of now. You can see all the observations you have to make from here, whatever they are asking. Okay, the values you have to change, you have to check. Okay, here the values are if you have something different here, so you have to change that. Broadcast address, MAC address, everything will be different. Okay, so you can change it, and for loopback address it will be mostly same. You can check yourself. So you have to change all these two, so I am keeping this in red so that you will know that you have to change it. Further, what I can do, you have to change all these data, guys. If these data are showing some different, then please copy it from the screenshot. Okay, I'm not making it red so that videos will be longer. Okay, do it. Then for the next command also, you just have to go there and write the command. C. Just write the command ping google.com, ping youtube.com, and you will get some new data. Okay, 64 byte received or some bytes received, some packet loss, whatever is there, guys, just write there in the observation section if it is asked. Okay, let me check. So you have to paste this description, after that paste the screenshot, and then what is the question? Let's see, there are some question. So give the use of ping utility. Yeah, you can write it same or rewrite using ChatGPT or short and precise or as a student, whatever. Okay, note the detail displayed as this reply. Okay, you can check the destination IP address. So this is the IP address. Further, you have to write all this data, change it, guys. It will be little bit changes only, but you have to make it. Further, guys, we have a question that what happens if a IP address or domain name doesn't exist and we ping them. Okay, record our observation. So what I did is just ping some website, random website. I mean not a random, mm, something unknown. Okay, write some random letters and then .com. Okay, so it will try to ping it, like I can show you in my command file also. CMD. So ping something, guys, randomletters.com. Okay, it will not exist or it will not resolve. Okay, like that I'm telling you. So further we have Nslookup command. So write this description and then paste the screenshot and make sure the bits ID is visible. Further there will be some question asked, so you can write it same to same, no issues, and make it green so that further generate a query. So we have to record some output, okay, using Nslookup. So here is the data we get from this, okay. So it is non-authoritative answer, canonical name, a server address, IP address is there, and all this data, okay. So you can write it. Further, observe the type A, server non-authoritative, that are displayed, so we have to observe it. And record the same as well means we have to write this table. So you have to make the table by yourself, okay. These will be same, but change this data, guys, change this data, okay, and give the observation as well. Observation will be same, okay. This observation will be same, but change this data according to the output whatever came, okay. Or and also, guys, you can ping anything. They have not said that ping only ABC. When you go to the question, it is said that Nslookup this or any other website, okay. So you can ping anything, that's why the data will be different. If you ping Nslookup www.google.com or www.youtube.com or anything, then the data will be different here, okay. The values will be different. Further we have dig this or this dig this website or any other website, guys, same. Again the values will be different for each PC. Please fill the data according to whatever is displayed or whatever is the outcome, okay. So I have pinged this and we got this data. So what is dig? It will be same for all. This also, make a query for this, record the output. I guess output is mismatched. So here we have to dig www.abc, but this is www.cryptecinfo. If I go to my, I will not use CMD, guys, because you will be confused that you people have terminal, but I am using Windows CMD command prompt. Okay, let's not get confused. So I will remove this. Both are same. Both are same. Yes, guys, both are same. I can remove it. Paste the original screenshot here, okay. Paste original screenshot of dig www.abc.com, okay. My OSHA lab is closed, so I'm not using it now, but please do it. I will share you this document with you, okay. So we have to record the output. So this is the output, such as IP address and query time. So this is query type and status domain, whatever is there, just change the values, guys. Parameter will be same, just change the values, okay. All the data will be inside this, you have to find it. See, query is status, sorry, opcode is query, status is no error, and ID is this flag QR, query 1 authority 0 additional, everything you have to write. See, whatever is shown in parameter, just write them. Message size 158 byte, it will be visible there. Message received message size is 158. See, server IP address this, date and time this, okay. They have asked two information only from the question, so you can give one or two or more. Okay, next we will move observe any other additional details. So yes, whatever you have not mentioned here, just write here, okay. Now we have host www.abc.com. So just describe this same to same, or rewrite it using ChatGPT, and then you have to paste the screenshot of the command. Make sure the bits ID is visible, and make it correct also, because if it get hide like this, they may deduct marks. So do the correct formatting, okay? So the commands used is this, and here is the observation. Observation will be same. Just make sure the IP addresses are changed, okay? This will also be same, because in question they have clearly mentioned that you have to do this only, or some other website. So yes, you can do for any other website as well. So next is Netstat. So describe will be same, or rewrite using ChatGPT or anything. Further, the observation will also be same, no issues. It will be same. So this also will be same. Okay, what I forgot is pasting the screenshot, guys. So paste the screenshot. Yeah, it is there. It is there. Okay. So let me make it go here. Okay, it's correct, guys. Leave it. Make it in next page. Perfect. So Netstats, this screenshot is not there. I will upload it. This is Netstat I. So we have to write here. I mean, paste the screenshot. Paste the screenshot of Netstat command. Okay. It is missing here, guys. I don't want to make the video long. Okay. So just make sure this, and remove this line, guys. You people are further we will do observation. Observation will be same, guys. So this will be same. Observation will be same here as well. But just check this IP address, and wherever these IP addresses are mentioned, it can be different, guys. So please check that. Okay. Now this will also be same. Observe the details. So make sure, guys, this will be in full screen only, and bits ID should be visible, and observation will be same. Just make sure you change the IP address, okay, or whatever is visible there. See this AP-south or whatever is, you will, it will be visible to you. Just write that. MAC address will be different, so you can write that. Then it is, just make sure that you paste the live screenshot as well last time, okay, in last. So this is old screenshot I have pasted here, but you paste your original screenshot, okay. That's it, guys. That's it for the lab. I hope you people are not getting confused. It is lot of heavy work, guys. You have to change the detail, you have to write the description, you have to change everywhere IP address, you have to check the screenshots, okay, personally.